Good afternoon, good morning, good evening to everybody, depending on whichever time zone you are. Like promised, I'm going to be talking about the MetaTrader and how to navigate through the MetaTrader. So this is the MetaTrader is a platform where we traders basically execute our trades. Now, this is the platform. You can see how everything is on the screen. You can see the chart and every other thing on it. Now, the first thing we want to be seeing about the MetaTrader, the first tab there, or the first page you're seeing here, is the quotes tab. Now, the quotes tab is, how will I put it, is where you have add your watch list. The quote tab is where you add your watch list. As you can see, I have so many different currency pair with commodity pair, which is gold. Here, these are the most traded currencies that I trade. This is the most traded currency that I trade. So that is why they are on my watch list. Now, how do we add or and remove from our watch list? Easy. For you to add to your watch list, you can just click on the plus sign here, right? Then search for any currency pair you feel want to add. So once you search for the currency pair you want to add, just click on it and it will disappear, meaning that it has been added to your watch list. Once you click on it, you will not be able to search for it anymore. Why? Because it has been added to your watch list. Then that is how to add to your watch list. How do you remove from your watch list? Look at this pencil sign here. You click on the pencil sign, right? Then click on this trash can that I just tapped on right now. Select the currency pair you don't feel like trading, or you feel like you will never trade it, and what? Click on the delete sign. You can see it has left my screen. Then let's go back and do other things. Now, the next thing on the screen we want to be talking about is the chart tab. Now, the chart tab is where you see your price movement. Now, everything you see on my screen here that is moving, this movement is what? The price movement. The price movement. Now, the price movement is made up of different candlesticks, right? And like I said, every candlestick represents the time frame you are, meaning that every single candlestick represents a 1 minute candlestick, as I am in a 1 minute chart. Okay, if I was in a 5 minute chart, every candlestick in my 5 minute chart represents what? My 5 minute what? Candlestick. Now, what else are we going to be talking about on this chart? Now you can see we have so many different tools on the chart, right? So what we'll be talking about now is this navigation tool or cursor. You can see how the price is moving at this point here. You can see how the price is moving there. So you can just move and navigate through the chart and see a particular level. You can see at this level where my cursor is the level where like let me just assume that's the level where I'm expecting something to occur. Then I'll say okay, it's around 2913.242, meaning that I am expecting the market to come to that area. I'm just assuming, do you understand? Meaning that I'm just trying to tell you how the cursor works. So to remove it, you can click back on that same icon. And the next icon here that we have here is the indicators. You can see how it pop up. See indicators. Now the indicator, right, is a tool. When you click on it, excuse me, you'll be able to search for different what indicators. You have political bands, you have the moving average, you have the Ichimoku, you have so many ones, you have the RSI, you have the MACD. force index. It depends on the one you want to be using on the indicator tab. You can see here I have my relative strength index, which is my RSI that I am focused on. So this is the indicator tab. When you click on the indicator, it will bring you down to this point. Now the next thing is our pending order icon. Now this our pending order icon helps us to do what create pending orders. I believe I have taught you guys how to use your pending orders, right? As you can see on my screen, I have a pending order waiting, right? Meaning that I'm expecting the market to come towards that area. Now the pending order I have waiting is my buy limit, right? Meaning that I'm expecting to buy this market when the market comes towards that direction. Meaning that this current price of the market, right? Excuse me. Current price of the market, I'm expecting it to come down towards my entry before it starts moving towards the buy finally, right? Meaning that that's the buy limit. The buy limit has to be below your current market price, right? And for sell limits is the opposite of buy limit, meaning that the market has to be above your current market price. You can see when it's above the current market price, which is around this place, right? It has to trigger me for that sell. Right now, if you click on a pending order, you can see it has different tabs here, right? You can see the stop loss, right? You can adjust your stop loss wherever you want it to be. You can see your take profit. You can adjust your take profit wherever you want to be. You can see the green one to wherever you want to make it be. Do you understand? So when you are done with that, you can just click on this, right? To like this, right? To take you to this place, you can see your lot size, right? You can see its buy limit. You can see my TP. My stop loss is not applied there. Then you click on what place. So I won't do that because this is my live account, right? Now the next thing you want to be knowing is your buy stop. Now you can still use the same pending order to give yourself different stuff, which is change it to different one. You can see buy stop, sell stop, everything. You can navigate you through your screen. Okay, let me pause this and continue to the next one. So cut it little by little so it won't be too jam packed.